Nobody ever made me feel like, I wasn't going to do it. They always told me that I could, and that was one of the reasons I was part of student support, because I was first generation, but they didn't make me feel any less because of it. They made me feel like, you know what, you're here, you got to set an example, so you're going to be it. What can we do to help? I had friends at bigger colleges that told me, hey, I'm just a number. I'm just somebody in their class that they're getting paid to teach. It's not like that here. It's a family and a community. It wasn't just going to school. There was excitement. There was joy because I had so many people there. I had family that drove for hours just to come and see me walk across the stage because everybody was so proud. It was just a feeling of exhilaration, like, hey, I did this.